removing the shine to prep our nail, I'm using the Mallory drill. And next I'll be applying the soft gel coffin tip to create our look. These tips are really nice because they're already pre-filed, so you don't have to spend as much time during your prep. You can just go right into application after you prepped the natural nail. So I just used the 100-180 file to do a little bit of shaping to the gel tips. Now I'm just going back in with the Mallory E file to remove the shine and to blend the tips in with the natural nail. Here I'm using the base coat, which is really nice and thin so that our gel designs lay over it. So next we're going to use the blooming gel to create a really cool snake Croc effect and just create lines here.